Hello, friends, and more friends. So, welcome back to the Green Shirt Show. Today we have a guest.
Hi, it's the cameraman again.
Oh, okay, Mr. Cameraman, what do you think we should do today?
I don't know, it's kinda hot day today, so I want something fresh on my face.
And now I'm gonna sit on my stick, okay?
Stick?
Yeah, stick. Feels great. So, welcome back. As you see, we have some yogurt. So, this will be a nice cooking show. Okay, you can hold it.
Yeah, I got to hold the yogurt.
You can hold it on your face already, but we will make it better.
My beard likes it.
Yeah, you can open it.
Oh, it doesn't squirt.
Oh, it's good.
It's dead. I think it's dead.
Oh, yeah.
And it's closed itself.
As you see, it's a really nice yogurt. Yeah, go, cameraman, go zoom in. The people can see me.
Yogurt again.
We need some toilet paper, but where did I put it?
I have napkins.
Oh yes, fresh butt paper. Okay.
Is it used one?
Yeah, one smell it.
Ah, good shit.
Yeah, fresh butt paper. You just take it. Yeah, you see me? Okay. You see
Oh,
lay
they see you.
lay it on top of it. Yeah, it's like I don't know. It's
Something.
virginity, you know. Okay. Then next step. We will be back after a short commercial message.
Hello and welcome to our grass farm. It's all over the area. You can like take grass and take it and eat it like a sheep. Very easy and very helpful. You don't need to buy meat from Maxima and stuff. You can eat grass from our farm. It's only a $1.99 for this chip. It's very helpful and tasty.
Also, you can sniff it.
And scratch.
Yeah, it's like a weed, but better.
Oh, yeah, totally. It got all the characteristics that weed got. Look, like this flower. You can like eat it and then go high. I mean, not like on the ground. You can go high, like a plane. You eat it and got really good stuffs in it. You like, ooh, high. Everything is high. Don't do it, kids.
Yeah, warning, it's only for adults. Not available in all states. Welcome back after a short commercial message. So, what do you think we will add next?
I don't know, maybe a condom.
Okay, if you want a condom, okay, I got one used up here. Oh, not much in it, but this will do. Okay, put our condom, it's like a balloon. Okay, okay, you can hold it. Now we will need to heat it. Candle here.
How do we hold it?
Okay.
Underneath?
Now on top.
Oh, okay.
And now we heat it.
5 hours later.
Yeah, fast forward, you know. Okay, now it's a hot day, so we
Well, just fast forward.
yeah.
Something.
I can already taste the smell of this fresh cum on my face.
Oh, really?
Okay, let's see if it's hot enough. Okay, now after heating we need to mix it up. Nice. And oh look, there's an end.
Oh, it's a freebie.
Okay. Mix it up real nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mix it up, okay. As you see, it's a really nice consistency. So that's gonna taste it. It's really tasty. But I don't like I don't like pears, so yeah, it's a fresh cream to your face.
My face?
Yeah.
That's my face.
So that was it for our cooking show, but wait, there's more.
So the next thing we will show you how to prank your best enemies or even friends, I don't know, prank whoever you want. You will need this envelope that is reinforced with this duct tape. It's really important so nothing comes out and then you need something like this that we used before or not, and we need a post box. Alright, first step, take the things out of this and put it somewhere here. It's very slippery, you need to use 2 hands, but wait, preparing stuffs. Oh, wait. So yeah, everything is okay. We need more of these things, so everything comes out perfectly. So you spread like here, like this good solid stuffs. That's why you need duct tape. Put everything in here. Thank you, man, for holding it. You like do this and this, and then just throw it in. And there you have it. So yeah, that's how you prank something.